FUD, or fear, uncertainty, and doubt, is a very common, very effective marketing and sales strategy used by companies all over the world to not only deter customers from going to their competitors, but then funnel them into their own sales as well. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that if you've been searching for AMC stock or GameStop or any of these, quote unquote meme stocks or Reddit plays, you have been bombarded with FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Not only by, mainstream media, but by these big hedge funds as well, and by the SEC and the government for that matter. So in this video, it's going to be very brief. Let's just talk a little bit about the strategy used in FUD and whether or not we should actually be concerned. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and become a bro. We're here every day growing our portfolios together. Now, guys, I just want to take a second to say thank you for 10,000 subscribers. It means so much to me. You guys are absolute bros out there. I'm loving it. I'm having so much fun doing this, and I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you to each and every one of you who watch the video, who share the video, who leave comments, and click that like button on all of these videos. You guys are amazing, and I want to say thank you so much. So let's talk about this FUD, this fear, uncertainty, and doubt real quick. Because look, I search a lot of articles surrounding GameStop and AMC and Sundial and different, Reddit stocks, they say. All of these stocks and all of these opportunities that are trending on Reddit, and you don't get any good articles unless you go to sources like Reddit, right? Where you can find people who are actually investing and know what they're investing in. But if you go to the mainstream media, if you look at Motley Fool, if you look at Yahoo, if you're just scrolling through your Google feed, like all of the news articles that you're going to see are spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Now, this is two-pronged, okay? This is going to come directly from the hedge funds who don't want people to make money on these stocks because the hedge funds know they're going to lose money, right? And the other play is that companies and, I don't want to say bloggers, but companies like Motley Fool, for example, use it to funnel investors into their own, marketing funnel or their own tactics, right? They say, oh, don't buy GameStop, don't buy AMC. Take a look at these stocks instead. So they create a little bit of fear in your mind, a little bit of doubt, and then they try to funnel you into their own system and promote their own products and their own services. So it's a two-folded thing there. But let's just take a look at this really quick and whether or not it's something that we should actually be concerned about investing in these companies. Now, look, we know by now that Wall Street analysts have AMC stock rated at about a profit target of $2 per share, or a price target of $2 per share. They believe that AMC is worth much less than it's trading at right now. Okay, if you're going strictly based on fundamentals, if you're looking at numbers like debt to equity ratios, debt to assets, and you're doing all your PhD breakdowns and stuff, excellent. You can come up with a price target for a stock. But what can you never do with that price target? That book value or that price target can never be the market price for that stock. Market price and the actual price that a security trades at is determined by supply and demand. Now, if there are people out there, if there are retail investors out there like you and me who want to buy AMC stock and want to hold AMC stock, it really doesn't matter at the end of the day what the fundamentals add up to. It only matters what people are willing to pay for that stock price. So they're going to try their best, and this is why they're going to try their best. They need the price to come down. We know that, okay? They've got short interest out there. You're going to see articles saying that they don't have short interest out there. They've got short interest on AMC. There's short interest on GameStop, but you're going to see articles saying they don't. They're spreading that doubt, right? You're going to see all of these articles saying that even if AMC was a good short candidate or blah, 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 AMC could never survive because streaming services are going to destroy the movie theater industry. They're spreading that fear, trying to make you walk away from these stocks. They're going to use all of these tactics to drive the stock price lower so that they can finally cover their positions and get out of their losses. Because we know that they shorted these positions at a much lower price and they need to cover these shorts. And what are we learning about hedge funds? Okay, if you've been following the story on Archegos Capital, if you've been following the story on any of these hedge funds, there is almost, they would like to say that there's a lot of transparency out there, right? That we know what these hedge funds are investing in, we know their intentions, and they want to do right by all of us, right? They want to make more money for the individual investor who goes ahead and puts their money in that hedge fund. Guys, they want to make money for themselves. Bottom line, okay? They don't care at the end of the day if they make money in their investments or if they lose money in their investments, because they're taxing and pulling fees on your principal. They make money regardless of whether or not their fund actually makes money. And two, it's a twofold thing here. They're investing in stuff that banks don't even know they're investing in. Hedge funds are investing in stuff that the government doesn't approve of. So it's like, before we go ahead and spread a little bit of fear and a little bit of doubt on the retail investor, let's take a little bit of a look, an introspective look at ourselves. What are we investing in? Would you put your money in that? Now, if you wouldn't put your money blindly into some investment with 20x leverage and some CFDs that nobody understands, that the PhDs can't even figure out, yeah, I believe that answers the question for you. So you're going to be bombarded with a lot of FUDs, fear, uncertainty, and doubts being thrown your way. It is a game that the hedge funds are playing so that they can lower the price of AMC and so that they can lower the price of GameStop. Okay, you're going to see it coming from media companies who are bankrolled by these hedge funds. Obviously, we know their agenda there. And then the other media who kind of just want to say, yeah, get away from that, but check this out. And then they won't tell you what this is until you've subscribed or given them your email or fallen into their marketing funnel or, whatever it may be that they're actually trying to figure out and bring you in for. They've got their own agenda too. They don't care at the end of the day what you invest in. Do you think the Motley Fool cares if you lose money on investments? Do you think the Motley Fool cares if you make money on investments? Same thing with Yahoo News and all, Yahoo Finance. Do you think at the end of the day, the guy writing articles for Yahoo cares what you do with your money? Absolutely not. The only person that cares how much money is in your portfolio is you. Obviously, I care about my portfolio. I care about your portfolios too, right? Because we want to make money together. We want to grow our portfolios together. But these companies out there, guys, they have no vested interest in your portfolios. So they're using these FUDs to F's and me's, right? I mean, end of the story. That's what it is. And, I'm just here showing what I've seen over the last couple of days, over the last couple of weeks, and really over the last couple of months, searching for articles on GameStop, AMC, and all of these stocks that are getting a lot of hype right now. So guys, if you want to share this video, make sure to tag me almost anywhere at Claybro. I would love to follow you guys back, and it really helps spread the word on what's going on out there and really kind of calm the nerves of a lot of people who only see bad news posted about companies they're invested in. It can be very difficult when all you see is your stocks going to zero, your portfolio is going to zero, you're going to be broke, you're not going to have any money. It is terrible to think that. And that kind of fear, uncertainty, and doubt is not good when it comes to your investments. And guys, if the subscribe button is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel, become a bro. We're here every single day. If you haven't made your first investment yet and you're looking to open up a Webull account, there's a link in the description below. It is super simple to set up your account. And if you deposit $100, you're going to get a couple free stocks just for doing so. And they are giving away shares of AMC right now. So if you want to join the movement, but you don't actually want to go out there and spend money on AMC shares, you can get a couple free stocks, and AMC could be one of them just for signing up and making that deposit. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.